So we have to fill in the table below. All right, guys? So I'm going to open up the chat. I want you guys to only give me each answer once, all right? Otherwise, it's way too many because there are already 25 of you here, okay? So we have to fill in this table. This year, Alex is 8, and Alex's mother is 38. So, guys, can you tell me what the difference in their ages is? This box right here? What's the difference between them, right? Jake says 30, right? Because we get 38 minus 8 will give us 30. Nice job, you guys, right? Thank you. Excellent, right? So, if Alex is 8 this year, the next year he's going to be 9. And the year after that he's going to be 10. And the year before this year he's going to be, before this year he was 7. And the year before that he was 6, right? I just want to fill out the top part quickly because it's this bottom row. This is the really important one here, all right? So the mom, 2 years ago, how old was the mom? 36, right? 38 minus 2 will give us 36. How about last year? How old was the mom last year? 37. Hold on, everyone. Hold for a second. Melody, do you have a question? Is there something that's not making sense? No? Okay. Just making sure, okay? Excellent. All right, next year, how old is the mom? 39. And 2 years from now, our last one, the mom is 40. All right, so what's the difference over here? Oh, okay, I got you. It's 30. And how about last year? What's the difference? Still 30. And how about next year? What's our difference? Still 30, right? And lastly, 2 years later, still 30. So the point of this exercise here, I told you guys already before the break, but the point of our exercise here was to show you guys that two people, right, will never change in distance away from each other. If I'm 25 and you guys are around the age of 9, some of you are 10, some of you are 8, right? That's fine. If you guys are about 9 and I'm 25, I will always be 16 years older than you guys, right? You guys will never like come close to my age, right? And it's the same with your parents. You guys will never get close to the age of your parents. It will always be exactly however many years that it is now away from you, right? So if they're 20 years older than you now, then in 100 years, they'll still be 20 years older than you, right? Good. Exactly, King, right? Unless you can tell God that to make you 27, right? That's the only way. All right. Claire, is this still happening? Exactly. Junhong, right? Okay. All right, you guys. Right? So, Jake, even when they're dead, right? If they had an age, the age of their body is still going to be 30 years older, right? In this question too, right? If you really think, it's kind of a gross thought, but if you want to go all the way there, it still works. It's still the same, okay? All right, nice job, you guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at, right? Oh, this is it. So you guys, if this makes sense, this idea about the age being the same distance, always go ahead and put the letter, I as in ice, please. Lucas W., what is your question?
There are also some people who are 1,000 years old.
I'm sorry? One more time?
There are also people who are 1,000 years old.
So I'm not sure if science has proved that, Lucas, but I know what you're talking about, and I'm not going to say it's not true, because I don't know myself.
People from 300 BC ago.
Yeah, there were people from a long time ago, right? I'm not sure, though. All right, Lucas, we got to stay focused, though, okay? All right, you guys. All right, King, be nice, all right? It's okay, all right? Depending on where we're from, our accent can be a little bit different, right? I speak with an American accent, right? Most of you also don't speak, some of you do, but if you're living abroad, you might not speak with the same accent as me, right? Okay, so we learned about this, all right? Let's go ahead and do act number 4. All right, Juno. All right, I'm going to close this up, you guys. You guys are distracting each other. I know it's tough. I know it's hard to stay focused. But let's go ahead and do our best. 4 minutes here, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put up a selector and some answer choices. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Oh, not so bad, actually. You just got to read it carefully. Paytion, KDY, Livia, KDX, Patrick, Chanel, Junhong, Jake, Lucas W, Liam, and Ashley have the correct answers so far. Claire's got it. Adam's got it. Brian and Alice have it. Nice job, you guys. Emily is all good to go. Sophie, I'm sorry, excuse me. Lucas S. Quinley, Matthew, Aiden, nice job. Whose hand was that? If you want to raise it one more time, Melody's got it. Jade has it, right? Not so bad, this one right here. Ashley.
Can I tell the teammates?
Actually, you may, Ashley. All right, so let me go ahead and put you away now. But Paul and Kang, that is correct. Nice job. Ashley put you away. All right. Actually, Ashley, you have to do the next one. I'm sorry. I forgot to let Theodora go. So Theodora will do this one. Ashley, you will do the next one. I'm sorry about that. All right. Kang and Connor now. Nice job. 2 minutes and 54 seconds. All right. Okay, think about it. If the dad is 3 years older than the mom, in 3 years, right, think about how old the dad will be compared to the mom, right? Right? Because, so Patrick, what's up? Don't tell anyone the answer. What's up, Patrick?
Will these questions get even more harder?
I believe so, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. All right, you guys. Hold on. All right? Hold on. There are some people who still haven't finished yet, okay? So, Connor, what's up?
So, could you move the timer away?
So there are people who are still not done yet, Connor, right?
I'm saying, could you move the timer away from like...
Oh, away from there. Sorry about that. There you go. You got it. Sorry about that. Sorry. Thank you, Connor. I misunderstood you. That's my bad. All right. So remember, right? Will I always be 16 years older than you guys? Right? Remember that I said that, right? So try to think about what that means here, right? In 5 years, I'm still going to be 16 years older than you. In 10 years, I'm still going to be 16 years older than you guys, right? So think about, in 2 years, how far is the dad from the mom? Nice job, Theodora, right? Excellent. Perfect. Good. Right? Not quite. Right? So if I'm always going to be 16 years older than you guys, right? So in 2 years, I will still be 16 years older than you guys, right? So did it change at all? Can't answer that for you, but think about it. Did it change? I'm always going to be 16 years older than you, right? So if the dad is 3 years older than the mom, will he ever be a different age older than the mom? Ever? There you go. That's correct. Nice job. Everyone got this question correct. Nice job. 26 seconds remaining. All right. So, I told Ashley that she can answer the next one, but Theodora, would you like to tell me what you got for this one? Excellent job, everyone. This was really good. Theodora, do you want to tell me what you got? You got it right. So whatever you got is correct. Right? Why? Thank you, Kang. Of course. Whatever it was whatever it was. Of course, I'll always try to help you out. Lucas, what's up? Hold on. Theodora's answering, so don't tell me the answer, Lucas, please. All right.
Can I answer the next question?
Yes, you can answer the next. So it's Theodora, Ashley, Lucas. All right, got it. All right, Theodora, what would you like to tell me? What did you get? You can tell me in the chat. You can raise your hand. What did you get? Okay. So Theodora. There you go. Theodora got B, right? So Sophie, I will let you go next after that. I'm sorry. Since people are just asking, right? I'm not going to say no, but everyone is going once, so I remember who went, so they're not going to go when it comes to their turn, all right? I'm just making sure everyone goes once, okay? Sometimes not everyone wants to answer, all right? So that is correct, Theodora. Nice job. That was excellent, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at why, right? So if the dad is 3 years older than the mom, right? So the mom is over here and the dad is over here. Let's just say that we'll use my parents for example, right? Because I'm a lot older than you guys. My mom is 56 right now. Okay, so my mom is 56. If my dad is 3 years older than my mom, he is 59. So, in 2 years, right, Melody? Right, you guys? In 2 years, how old is my mom going to be? My mom will be how old in 2 years, you guys? 58. And how old will my dad be in 2 years, you guys? 61. Oh man, my dad's gonna be 60 soon. Wow. But 56 to 59, this is 3 years. How far is 61 from 58, you guys? 3 years. It is always going to be the same distance no matter what, right? If we go 10 years from now, 56 becomes 66 and 59 becomes 69, right? This is still 3 more, right? Exactly, you guys. Good. All right, so everyone got this question right. But, right, so guys, make sure you stay focused, okay? Try to stay focused. I know it's tough. All right, we're almost done. We have 30 minutes left. All right, so if this question makes sense, you guys feel ready to move on. Let's go ahead and put the letter J as in James, J as in Jade, J as in Junhong, J as in Jake, J as in, that's it. It's just the 4 of us, all right? Nice job, you guys. All right. Good. We will always be the same distance away. Good. All right, you guys. Excellent. Let's keep going. Oh, okay. So, we need to kind of make sure that you guys understand how to do this before we continue, because the questions are going to get a little bit harder. All right? So, right? So, for those of you who have been in this class for a while, you may remember how to use this bar method to do this question. If not, that's okay. I'm going to go over it. And if you haven't seen me do this before, that's perfectly fine. Okay, I'm going to explain how to do this now. So, we have 2 mystery numbers. The sum of the 2 numbers, remember, when you add them together, it's equal to 25. The difference between the 2 numbers when you subtract them is 3. And we want to know what the smaller number is, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and draw this like this. We're going to write small, and we're going to write large, right? We have 2 numbers, small and large, okay? So for the small one, right, I'm going to go ahead and do this, all right? So this is the age, or this is the number for the small one, all right? And this is the number for the big one, like this, okay? If you've done class with me before, if you were there for the lesson, you might remember how to do this, all right? Now, I'm going to make this exactly the same length right there. So now, when I add these 2 together, ooh, not a straight line. When I add these 2 together, I get 25, right, you guys? So, right, now, can you guys tell me, I'm going to open the chat, can you guys tell me what this is, this small part? 3, right, Paul? That's 3, right? Because the difference, the part that's different between the 2, this one is 3 more. Claire, what's up?
You're a bit glitchy.
Okay.
Sometimes you're frozen and then like you're not frozen and then you're frozen and then not frozen.
Okay. And as it's continuing, can you try leaving and coming back once for me, Claire?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry about that. I know it's okay. All right. So Ashley, what's up?
I don't really understand this.
All right, we're gonna finish. Okay, so let's make sure. All right, so Ashley, we've got 2 numbers, right? The blue one and the red one, right? And if we add the 2 together, we get 25. But if we do red minus blue, we get 3, right? And that's why the extra part on the red is equal to 3. Does that make sense, Ashley? Right?
Yes.
The difference means red minus blue. So if the answer is 3, then we actually know that this extra part is 3. So that's where we are. All right, nice job, Ashley. Okay, let me put you away now. I have a hand from Adam question.
You were glitching out a little bit.
Okay, so if it's doing that, you guys, all right, please try leaving once and coming back, okay, because there's nothing else I can really do for that right now, okay? There's not anything I know how to do that they don't, all right? I'm sorry about that, Adam, all right? I know it's tough when it's not working all the time. Claire, is it any better? We do have to keep going, but Claire, real fast.
It's still a bit glitchy, but it's better.
Okay, all right. Let me know if it gets really bad and you can't hear what I'm saying. I can try to talk a little bit slower as well, if that helps. Okay? I know I talk really fast, but I'll try that, all right? Let me know though, Claire. Okay, all right. We do have to keep going. So, now we know that this extra piece right here is 3. All right, Katie, I can't tell you yet. All right, so now, if we do, right, now, what should we do? If we want to know what this question mark is, you guys, right? I'm sorry that happened, Kang. All right, but that doesn't mean we can be rude to other people, right? I understand. It really sucks. Believe me, I know. All right, but it will get better, okay? But we need to keep doing this, all right? So if we do the blue question mark plus the red question mark, and we know that this part is 3 right here, then what is the blue question mark plus the red question mark going to be equal to? This plus this one. Right? 22, very good, right? Because we need to take 3 away from 25. So we have the blue question mark plus the red question mark, so question mark plus question mark, and I'll put like a blue underline and a red underline so that you guys know. Nice job, everyone who's given me that 22, right? Which means, right, that actually I don't need to put different colors because we know that the question marks are, what are the question marks, guys? Are they different? The question marks are? Right, the question marks are the same. So if the question marks are the same, we get question mark plus question mark is equal to 25 minus 3, so we don't have to worry about that guy, is 22. That means our question mark is equal to 11, you guys, right? Okay, good. And so we know that question mark is 11, and that is the smaller number, which means that the bigger number was 14 when you add them together. So we have 11 and 14, right? They do add up to 25, and when you subtract them, you get 3. 14 minus 11 is 3. And so we want the smaller one, so the answer is B here. Okay, so you don't have to remember it if you learned it before, but as long as it makes sense now, let's go ahead and put the letter K as in Kang into the chat box, please. All right. Nice job, you guys. K as in Katie X and Katie Y as well, you guys, right? Good. Good. Excellent job, you guys. Okay. All right. Yes, it is you, KDY. Nice. Good. All right, let's keep going, you guys. Okay. So, we've got sum and difference questions, right, that we've learned with the bar model from before. Okay, remember, if that thing that we just did doesn't make sense, please let me know, at least for the next question, because we will be repeating that process for other questions, okay? All right, you guys. Matthew, you have a hand. What's up?
I think one day there will be 100 students.
I know one day there will be 100 students, Matthew, and it'll be really hard for me, but that's okay because I enjoy teaching you guys, all right? Let me put you away, Matthew, all right? We got to keep going. Okay. Thank you, Matthew. All right, you guys, let's keep going. Okay. Ask number 5. 2 years ago, Cindy was 3 years older than Mike. This year, Cindy and Mike are 23 years in total. How old are Cindy and Mike this year? Okay, so if 2 years ago they were 3 years apart, this year, how many years apart are they, you guys? How many years older is Cindy? If 2 years ago Cindy was 3 years older, thank you Katie Y and Claire and Melody, right? And Katie X and Alice and Sophie and Payton, they are still 3 years apart. So we don't actually have to do the 2 years ago. Right? They gave us the 2 years ago to confuse us so that we were like, oh, but what about this year? But we know, because we learned it, right, that if 2 years ago they were 3 years apart, then this year still, Cindy is still 3 years older than Mike. Okay, so we're going to do the bar question. We're going to do the bar problem again, right? So we have the small number, and we have the large number, right, you guys? And again, I'm going to make these bars, okay, right? I have a hand from Lucas. Lucas W., what's up?
Can you replace the large as big?
I mean, I could, yeah. I have no problem with that. If you guys have a very strong opinion on this, that's fine. All right. So we have small and big, no problem. All right. Is that better, Lucas? That's better. All right. Nice. Whatever you guys want. All right. I'm the teacher. All right. You guys. This class is for you guys, so whatever you guys want. All right, but we do have to do the material. So we get small and we get big. All right, remember, you guys. All right, I'm not going to do the colors this time, but that's fine. This is the same length here. Okay, yes, that is better. Thank you, Yana. All right, so they add up to 23, right? But remember, guys, how big is this little piece right here? Think about it. How far apart are their two ages? That little piece is 3. Excellent, right? Because saying that they are 3 years apart is essentially the same thing as them having a difference of 3. Because if Cindy's 3 years older, then Cindy minus Mike is 3, right, guys? Excellent. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Emily. Thank you, Kang. Right? Nice job, you guys. Good. Okay. All right. So, right, if this is 3, then we know that question mark plus question mark is equal to how much, you guys? Question mark plus question mark equals 20. Thank you, Katie Y. Right? Patrick and Liam and Alice and Junhong got it. Thank you, Brian, Paytion, Sophie, Kang, right? Emily, right? So then we know that one of the two question marks is equal to how much, you guys? Is equal to 10. Nice job, Kang. Thank you, Chanel. Thank you, Melody, right? Katie's got it. Katie Y and Katie X, right? Livia, Emily, Sophie, Kang, right? Nice job, you guys. Excellent. Perfect. And so that means that the small number is 10. How large is the big age? So how old is the person who's got the bigger age? Nice job, Kang, right? 13, right? We've got 10 plus 3. So Cindy, or actually, so who is 10 and who is 13? Can you guys tell me? 10 is Mike, right? Nice job, Paytion. And Cindy is 13, right? Remember, because Cindy is the older one. Always remember, just because you have the numbers doesn't mean you have the right answer. Always make sure you match it to the right person, too. Because I almost made that mistake just now, you guys. All right? If this one makes sense, you guys feel ready to try one on your own. Let's go ahead and put the letter L. L is in, do we have any L names? Livia is here, right? Livia and Lucas S and Lucas W and Liam, right? All right, L is in everyone who's got an L name, right? Excellent. Excuse me. Talking a lot today. We've got about 17 minutes in class now. All right, Lucas W., you have a question?
Can I answer this question?
So I believe it's Ashley's turn next, actually. I'm sorry. And then it's your turn, and then, right? And then after that, I believe I told one other person. I'll remember. All right, Lucas. All right, thank you. All right, you guys, we got to keep going. Got to keep going. All right, Claire's got a hand. Claire, what's up?
When will I say the answer to a question?
So, Claire, we have like 30 people in class now, so you did it I remember you did answer it last week, so it'll probably be like once every 2 weeks. I'm really sorry about that, but realistically, because I want to give everyone a chance. So remember, I started from the front last time. I actually started from the back this time. All right, is that okay, Claire? I'm sorry about that. There are a lot of people in class now. Thank you for understanding. You're doing an excellent job. Everyone is doing an excellent job. All right. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Let's keep going. Act number 5. All right. We've got a timer for 4 minutes right here. I'm going to give you your answer choices. And let's get the selector ready to go. All right. Take your time with this, you guys. Okay. Remember how we did that. Remember how we did that. Right? How we did the last one. Let me just make sure. There we go. Go ahead and try when you're ready to put your answer in. Wow, Paytion, Claire, Katie Y, Brian, Aiden, Emily, Junhong. Nice job, you guys. Right? Excellent work. If you haven't heard your name, Katie X, Paul, Quinley, Adam. Nice job, you guys. You guys are really getting this fast. I'm actually really impressed today. Alice, that was correct. I'm sorry. Don't put that away. All right, Ashley, Kang, Lucas. Alice, you were correct earlier. Lucas W, nice job. Alice, yes, there you go. Good. Right? Jade, nice job. All right, if you haven't heard your name yet, give it one more try. Patrick, Jake, Sophie, Lucas S. All right, we're almost there, you guys. Almost there. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Chanel, nice job. Liam's got it. Excellent work, you guys. Excellent work, everyone. All right, if you haven't heard your name yet, try one more time, okay? If you picked an answer that starts with the same letter as your name, try it one more time. All right, I don't want to say your name out loud. And you always ask me if I said your name, but I have not said your name today. For this one yet. All right, if you picked an answer choice that's the same letter as the first letter of your name, there you go. Try it one more time. All right. Okay. 2 minutes and 19 seconds remain. All right. And also, if I said you got it right, don't worry about that letter thing that I was just talking about. There was one person I was trying to let know that they need to try again. All right. Nice job, you guys. 2 minutes left. Remember, if you're having a really hard time, you can click all four. All right, Brian and Liam. All right, if you have the question correct, I'm not going to take questions right now. All right, Melody, that is correct. All right, Liam, what's up? You have a question, Liam? Melody, that is correct.
I got the correct answer.
You did, Liam. Nice job. Kang, yes, Kang, that's right as well. Liam, you got it right too. Brian, what's up? Oh my God, everyone is here. Brian, what's up?
I wanted to. Next week can I say the answers?
Yes, you can. So you'll be at the top next week. All right, Theodora, that is correct. Nice job. All right, I'll put you away now, Brian. All right. So I believe it's Ashley's turns this time around. So, right. 1 minute and 12 seconds. All right, from the top, Paytion, Claire, Katie Y, Brian, Aiden, Emily, Junhong, Katie X, Paul, Quinley, Adam, Ashley, Lucas W, Alice, Jade, Patrick, Jake, Sophie, Lucas S, Chanel, Liam, Melody, Kang, and Theodora. If I haven't said your name, try one more time. If you were the person that yep, there you go. There you go. Nice job, Bella. All right. Excellent work, everyone, on this question here. 47 seconds remaining. All right, excellent. You guys did a great job. Everyone, all of you, okay? Don't worry about it, okay? All of you did a great job. Let's go ahead and take a look. 3 years ago, my grandfather was 2 years older than my grandmother. This year, how much older is my grandfather than my grandmother, you guys? Still. 2 years, right? And actually, Ashley, before I continue my explanation, Ashley, would you like to tell me what you got? You can raise your hand if you'd like. Because I did promise you, Ashley, that you can answer it. Ashley, you got 80 right. That is absolutely correct. Nice job, right? Good. Okay. So again, same deal as usual for these questions, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and draw these bars out. We've got the small one, ooh, and the big one, right? Got the small one and the big one, all right? And so actually we know that the small one is, right, so we have, ooh, that's a box, right? Excellent job, Kang, that's absolutely right. Whose hand is this? Matthew, do you have a question? Question, Matthew?
When is the class over?
Class is over in 12 minutes, Matthew, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right. I know, I wish, do you guys want trophies? Should we bring that back? Oh, you guys want that? Okay, maybe. I will let them know. Okay? All right. If you guys like them, it's good that... No, thank you for telling me. It's important. We always are trying to make it better for you guys, okay? So if it's possible, I will tell them, okay? So, how much is this little tiny piece here, you guys? Katie says, please don't. This little tiny piece is 2, right? Because the big one, the grandfather, is 2 years older than the grandmother, right? Nice job. And so if these two together make 162, what is question mark plus question mark, you guys? 160, thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Katie Y, right? Thank you, Brian. Thank you, right? Nice job. And so that means that one question mark, Kang, are you okay? One question mark is equal to 80. Thank you, Kang. Thank you, Katie Y, right? Excellent job, you guys, right? Chanel's got it as well. Thank you, Brian. Perfect. That means that grandmother is equal to 80 and grandfather is equal to 82. So the answer here was A as in apple. All right, nice job. All right, I'm sorry about that, Kang. I will try to talk a little bit slower, okay? All right, so what I would recommend after today's class, right, go into class and make sure that your system is the most updated it can be. So whether if you're on an iPad, go into the App Store, try to figure out if you need to update it there. All right, if you're on a computer, you can also tell on the computer, it'll tell you in like the bottom left corner on the screen before you get into the class. Okay, I'm not sure, Kang. All right, I'm sorry about that. All right, Okay. I don't know what to tell you then. I'm pretty sure we've asked already, but if there's something we can do, we'll try to figure it out. I'm sorry about that, Kang. All right, you guys. All right. So, bar model is good for 2 people, what we just did, right? Are we going to use the same thing for 3 people? Let's see, right? Okay, so let's look at ask number 6, all right? I don't remember who was asking for harder questions, but it is getting a little bit harder. Okay, so the sum of the ages of Amy, Bill, and Carol is 31. Amy is 2 years younger than Bill, and Bill is 3 years younger than Carol. How old are Amy, Bill, and Carol this year? Okay. All right, you guys. So this time, instead of 2 bars, I need 3. And they need to be different sizes. We need a small one, we need a medium one, and we need a large one. Right, you guys? Small, medium, and large. And actually, they should all start from the same place. I'm going to try to make them a little smaller over here. Whose hand is this? Lucas, what's up?
It's small, medium, and big.
Okay, we'll do small, medium, and big then. Sorry about that. All right. Okay. Right. So let's take a look. Okay, so small, medium, and big. So we have small, medium, and big. Okay. So now, small, medium, and big. So now we are going to have this, and we should also put this one down, shouldn't we? All right. So Junhong, what's up?
The thing on my whiteboard is something that's kind of I think useful that where you don't need to use bars. You can put you can put the names of someone here, then you can put the time or whatever.
Right. I think that would work, Junhong. If you want to do it that way, I have no problem with that. You got to make sure this makes sense. This is how I've been told to teach you, Junhong. Okay, so this is the way that I have to show you, but I will not say that your way is wrong. If it makes more sense to you and it does the same thing as this, that's okay. Just make sure you're getting the right answers then. Is that okay, Junhong? Awesome. All right, that's good. That's good that you're trying to find a system of your own. That's actually really good. Okay, guys. Very important. So these 3 added together equal 31. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close this for a second. All right, thank you, Kang. You're on the right side, right? That is you're almost there, Kang, right? That's exactly right. So we have 2 years. Amy is 2 years younger than Bill, right? And Bill is 3 years younger than Carol. So let's figure it out. Who is the smallest? Who is this one? Is it Bill, right? Is it? Amy is 2 years younger than Bill, so actually A is smaller than B, and B is smaller than C, so actually the small one is going to be Amy. Who's going to be the medium one? Bill. And that means that the big one is going to be Carol, right? Good job, guys. I just want to make sure, because it's very important for us to know too, because if you can't figure out which one's which, makes it very difficult, okay? So we've got question mark, question mark, question mark. Be very careful. Look at the sentence with Amy and Bill. Can you guys tell me what this little tiny piece here is? It's not carrot, right? It's 2 years because Amy is 2 years younger than Bill. Excellent. So how about this tiny piece right here, you guys? What's that one? Still 2, right, you guys? This one is 2, right? What is this one, you guys? My picture is not good. This one is 3. Because this is the extra part from Bill to Carol. And Bill is 3 years younger than Carol, so the extra piece over here is 3, right? So now, right, good, Paytion, right? So now we have, right, we have a question from Lucas W. What's up? Don't tell me the answer.
The tree is supposed to be bigger than the 2.
It is, I know. That's why I said my picture's not that good, Lucas, all right? Sorry about that. All right, I'll make it a tiny bit bigger. I'll do that. All right, so we'll make it a teeny bit bigger then for you guys, okay? Let's go ahead and do this. Oh no, it's not letting me erase that. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not letting me erase my own picture, but okay, guys. All right, so it should be bigger. I'm sorry about that. All right, I can't take any more questions right now, you guys. I need to keep going, all right? We have 5 minutes left. So this is 3. All right, I want to do this so that you guys can try one yourself, okay? So we have question mark plus question mark plus question mark plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. That is all of these, right? That's all of question mark, question mark, question mark, 2, 2, and 3. All of this is equal to 31. So guys, what is question mark plus question mark plus question mark equal to? Take a second, figure it out. 3 question marks equals 24. Nice work, Claire. Thank you, Jake. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Kang. Nice job, you guys. So then what is one of these question marks equal to? 8. Perfect. And so our 3 ages are 8, 10. So I'll write it over here. 8, 10. And if this is 8 plus 5, this is 13, you guys. Right? And if we add all 3 of these up, we get 31, right? Nice job. I know you guys got it. I just wanted to tell you guys so that we can start with this one, all right? Let's see. Oh, yes. So this picture is exactly what I drew, right? So we have 3 different colors, a little bit nicer, right? So we have 2, and see here, Lucas, right? This is bigger, right? Okay. If this question makes sense and you guys want to try one more of these before we go, let's go ahead and put the letter, oh gosh, where are we? L as in llama, I think, you guys, if you feel okay about this. The letter L, please. Oh, we're on M. I'm not sure. All right. So, right? All right, you guys. As long as it's an L or an M, that's fine. All right. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay. Excellent job, you guys. Let me know if there are any questions. Let's try one of these real fast, okay? Really fast, and then we will be done for today. You guys have done an awesome job. I actually really enjoyed teaching this lesson to you. It's very interesting. All right, let's go ahead and try this. We have, let me just make sure that I put the right answer into the selector. All right, make sure you're double checking your answer before you send it to me. Take your time, you guys. You have 3 minutes and 47 seconds. All right, class will be over after I give you guys a tiny little recap after this question, okay? Brian, that is correct. Nice job. Very quick. Lucas as well. Lucas S. Sophie has it. Alice has it. Pation has it. Nice job, you guys. If I haven't said your name yet, go ahead and try one more time. Liam's got it. Ashley's got it. Nice job. All right. Aiden has it. Excellent work. Claire and Lucas W. Nice job, you guys. Okay. Almost there. If I haven't said your name yet, try it one more time. 3 minutes remaining for this one. Remember, if we need 3 bars, draw your 3 bars. All right. Chanel's got it. Nice job, Chanel. Jake has it. Matthew has it. Perfect, you guys. Perfect, perfect. We have 2 minutes and 48 seconds. All right. If you haven't heard your name yet, Kang's got it. If you haven't heard your name yet, you know what to do. Try it one more time. Melody, nice job. All right. Melody is the last one. There are no new. Katie X has it now. Nice job, Katie X. Okay, Jade's got it. Nice job. Remember, don't rush yourself, though. You guys have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. It's okay, all right? Lucas W., what's up? Quinley, that's good.
There's only 52 seconds left.
I know. If you have to go, then you have to go, but I will explain for a little bit later, all right? Lucas, you got the right answer. Nice job. Lucas W., all right? All right. Adam, that is correct. Nice job. Okay, Chanel. All right, I've read your name already, but that's okay. All right. If you haven't heard your name yet, go ahead and try one more time. Almost there, you guys. And if you're not sure how to do it, you can always put A, B, C, and D. Okay, remember, this one is tough, right? I wanted you guys to see one of these. Patrick, that is excellent. Nice job, Patrick. All right, Claire, what's up?
Hi.
Hi, Claire, what's up?
I have to go.
That's okay, Claire. Let me just make sure you got the right answer. Yeah, you did. All right, I'll see you next time, Claire. Nice job today. Bye. All right. Almost there, you guys. Almost there. I can't take all of your hands. If you guys have to go, you can go, all right? You can say, all right, you can say bye in the chat. I'll open it up. All right, if you have to go, you can say bye, but all right. Actually, you guys, okay. We have 1 minute left. You did get it correct, Pation. All right. All right. Thank you, Chanel. All right, you guys. since some of us are leaving, all right, let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and explain this one quickly so that we can, all right, go ahead and finish up, all right? If you have to go, thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time. But if you're staying to hear the explanation for this, I'm going to do it now, okay? All right. Okay, so there's no diagram. So I'm going to do it. So the sum of the ages of Linda, Mary, and Nellie is 29 this year, all right? I'll see you guys. That's okay, all right? We're going to go ahead and finish this really quickly now. So we've got 3 ages, small, medium, and big, right? 3 ages. It's not perfect. They should start at the same place, right? Small, medium, big. Okay, now, right, we know that Linda is 2 years younger than Mary. So this is Linda, this is Mary, this is Nellie. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this bar right here, and we're going to make one perfectly under that, and one here. Okay, so how much is this tiny piece here, you guys? That's good, Chanel. How much is this tiny piece, right? This is Mary, this is Linda. How much older is Mary than Linda? Katie Y's got it. This is 2, which means that right underneath it, this little tiny piece right here, thank you, Jake, Chanel, Melody, Quinley, this tiny piece is also how much, you guys? Also 2, thank you, Theodora. Excellent, right? Quinley's got it too. Thank you, Katie Y. Good. Now, thank you, Melody and Chanel. How much is this small but bigger piece, right? Thank you, Alice. Bye. All right, this is 4, right? Because Mary is 4 years younger than Nellie, right? So all 3 of these add to 29. So we get, right, question mark plus question mark plus question mark, excuse me, ooh, plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 equals 29. So what are these 3 question marks equal to, you guys? Question mark plus question mark plus question mark. Not yet. What's 3 of them together? 21, thank you, Jake. Which means that one of them is equal to 7. So we want to know how old Linda is, and Linda is just the question mark. So Linda is 7 years old. All right, if this question makes sense, go ahead and give me that Z for the last question of the day, you guys, all right? All right, so remember, you guys, these age questions that we were working on today, nice job, right? So if you guys have to go, but I'm just going to explain a couple things, all right? So these age problems, right? So remember a couple key rules. Everyone always gets 1 year every year. Nobody is impervious to the passage of time. No one ever doesn't age, right? So if I get 2 years, you get 2 years, right? My dad gets 2 years, right? Everyone gets 2 years, okay? Very important, all right? And everyone will have the same distance away from each other every time. And also remember how we solved these sum and difference problems with our, right, with our bars, and the little tiny pieces, we're able to know what those are based on how far their ages are from each other. All right, nice job, you guys. I'll see you all next week. All right, make sure you try that homework. All right, if you have questions, please let us know. We'll do our best to help you. Excellent job today. All right, whose hand is this? Liam. Lucas W, what's up? Bye, guys.